Hi everyone. Welcome to this LincStation tutorial. In this video, we'll show you 3 simple ways to sync or transfer data across devices in LincOS, backup disk, Samba, and remote download. Method 1. Use backup disk. First, open backup disk. Turn on the switch, then go to Backup Rules. Here, you can set the backup source folder, the destination, and the file type. This means you can choose which files from your computer or phone you want to back up to the NAS. After setting the rules, save the settings. Next, set the auto backup timing. You can choose the backup timing based on your network condition and usage habits. After saving, your computer or phone files will be backed up to the NAS automatically. Method 2. Use Samba. The second method is Samba, also called local sharing. Open local sharing. First, find your NAS zip address. You can check it in Profile. Then enable Samba service. There are different ways to access Samba, but here we'll use a common Windows method. On your computer, enter // plus your NAS zip address. Then log in with your LincStation account and password. After logging in, you will see the shared folders on your computer. Now you can copy files from your computer to the NAS folder. Once the copy is complete, the files will also be saved on your NAS. Method 3. Use remote download. The third method is remote download. Here, you need to enter a magnet link. A magnet link is a special download link, usually used for downloading files through supported download tasks. After entering the magnet link, choose where you want to save the downloaded file. Then start the task, and the file will be downloaded directly to your NAS. That's it for cross-device data sync in LincStation.